Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, a Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart. Now this one's been in for some work today already. It's had an Airtec front mount fitted to it and also a 3-port Boost Solenoid. As you can see, it's got the Group M induction kit, it's got the hybrid GFB valve, and we're going to tune it on Ecutek software. So flash the stock ECU with Ecutek software and start tuning it. Here she is, guys. It's a 5-door, beautiful. Right, let's get working. Well, as this one has a 3-port, there's no initial power run because we've got to get tuned in straight away to make it work. Some of you may have noticed the thumbnail for this video, and yes, that's that's our entertainment for this week, so do enjoy it. Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart 4G15 turbocharged engine needs oil, so do you. Worldoflubricant.co.uk provide all oils that you need. Now we use 5W40 Molygen in these as well as the Hondas. But if you do need oil, go check out worldoflubricant.co.uk. Use the code Dyno at the checkout, save a load of money. They dispatch fast and they've got all the quality products that you need, so go check them out.
Well, there we go. Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart.
Came round the front of the car. It's a bit dark in there, we thought.
It's a bit dark in the car, and then we thought, well, as soon as we've been painting in here all weekend and it looks nice
Bright
and fresh.
fresh
And sexy, we thought we'd stand here stinking paint fumes.
Yeah.
Making our eyes water.
Yeah. So Ralliart, so list of mods. It's got a Scorpion exhaust system. It's got a Group M induction kit. It's got a GFB hybrid dump valve. It's got a 3-port Boost Solenoid.
Which we fitted today.
And an Airtec front mounting intercooler.
Which we fitted again today.
Which we fitted today. And yeah, it's done all right.
Yeah, it's got a second decat as well.
Second decat. Okay.
Second decat.
So it's still got one cat.
Yeah, original cat's in. So the first cat's still in. Second decat.
Yeah,
done really well. I think we were aiming for 210, 215, sort of 230 foot-pounds. We finished on 210 and 225. So I think that's exactly where we expect it to be.
Great place to be in a Mitsubishi Colt, this sort of power band. It's probably the most reliable it's ever going to be. And yeah, it's good value for money.
It's definitely the best value for money. I think if you go, like we've often talked about with these, if you head towards that 220 mark or you push on stage 2, you've almost got all the mods you need to put the Arashi on at that point. So then you can have your 250. Yeah. So it's, you know, it's sort of stage 2 is almost not worth going for. If you're going to go, you've got to push towards the hybrid turbo route and then go towards that 250.
I think he's going to have a lot of fun in this car. He says he's not a boy racer. He'd like to go on a track and maybe some Santa Pod stuff, but he's not street racing.
No.
So he's just going to have some fun in it, and I think he's going to love it. And again, if you've got a Mitsubishi Colt, we sell all these parts and we tune these cars quite frequently. So give us a shout if you need any help.
Yeah. Should we look at that graph?
Let's look at the graph. And here is the said graph. Not bad at all, as you can see. 211 brake horsepower. Quite happy with that. It's going to transform the car from where she was. It's a beautiful 5-door. We don't see many of these. But yeah, lovely car, and I'm sure he's going to have a lot of fun. So thanks for getting to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. I do hope you enjoyed the thumbnail, as our friend Hexacle has made that for us. So yes, many more of those to come. But there we go. We'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? Richard. We'll see you on the next one, won't we, Richard?
We will indeed.
There you go. He knows his role.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.